Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Our topic today is four-way switch. How to install four-way switch. I will show you how to install four-way switch. Okay, this is our four-way switch. This four-way switch look like that's three-way switch with just additional four-way switch here. As usual, here there is 110 volts, 220 volt breaker, 15 amps, one white wire neutral going to the light 1 and light 2, and return going to the common three-way, and one hot wire black going to the common. It's here, and this is a traveler red going to the four-way switch. So we have three-way switch. Both three-way switch we put in both end. Three-way switch here, at the end is three-way, and four-way we have to put in the middle. If you even you put 5 floor, 10 floor, you always put in the middle. Same connection here. This connection when you turn on like this, X. I will explain to you in actual. Okay, let's go in actual installation. We will install here. I will show you. I prepared already. As usual, my breaker's there. I get the breaker and light here. I connect already and ready to connect. Black one wire is here. This one is going to the common, and this one here white wire, white neutral going to the light, and light over here too. I make connection already, so make it faster. So the white wire, I connect to the neutral first. Okay, this is our three-way. This is a black terminal, is a common. Connect natin dito sa common. Kaya itong traveler natin, red. Lagyan natin sa taas. Then, this traveler, black one, going to another side. Okay. Done here. Four-way. This side four-way, we need to connect not this way. We need to connect this way. This way. So this, that black here, I connect the black wire. This side here, you see here there is input, output. So this means this is a power supply from here going this way. So you have to connect here, input. That means this one for here. Kahit anong klaseng switch ang gamitin nyo, may plus type, ito toggle switch, it's same. Work same, important connection same. And don't be scared. Okay, matakot. Dahil hindi ito sasabog kasi one wire here and one there. So don't worry. You try and learn. Okay. And this side is hot here. I put hot here too. Okay. Other side, this going there. Tight good. Alright, last three-way. Let me connect here first too. Important here, you know the connection for the four-way switch. I will show again after this. As usual, common, connect the common first. Connect muna ang common. Then common in the bottom, the top one is red, so we're gonna put red also, red in the top of the common para pareho ang connection. Lagyan natin sa top, taas. Ito yung traveler natin. This is our traveler. One side is black. Make it tight. Okay, connection is done. Okay. Double check. This is a red one here and black. This is a four-way. This two wire come in here. You can see here is N. And out is 2 over there. So, don't put this side. Huwag nyo i-connect dito sa kabila. Connect nyo dito, kabila, pa ganon. Kasi mababasa nyo dito, you can see here, there is input. So, you connect both sides here. Input and output is there, going to the light. That's our load. So, this way. And then, this two wire, itong dalawang wire, going over there to the three-way switch. Pag mag-additional kayo, if you want to additional, this is first floor, second floor, and third floor. If you will additional, let's say 5 floor, you can additional more. Dagdag kayo ng four-way switch in the middle. Nasa dulo ang three-way switch sa baba at saka pinakamataas. So magdagdag kayo ng always additional four-way in the middle and the connection is same. Okay? Now, put back the switch here. Okay? Inside. And we're gonna check. Turn on. And then put inside. Next one. Okay, finito. Let's turn on the breaker now. Turn on the breaker. Light on. First floor, three-way. Off. Turn on. Turn off. You are the second floor. This is a four-way switch. On. Off. On. Off. On. You go to third floor. Off. On. Off. On. You go to second floor. Off. On. Off. On. First floor. Off. On. On. Off. Off. On. Off. On. See? That's the way. Different location. This is the way. Easy. Look like three-way switch connection. Alright? We are done. That's it. Very easy.